Good morning, guys. Today is a clean with me of my disaster house. I want this to be motivating and I hope you enjoy. More than ever, I've received messages and letters from you saying that life is totally in the way of cleaning. You work 2 jobs, you or a loved one is battling chronic illness, you have anxiety or depression, or you just aren't motivated. And I can honestly relate to so many of these. So in the spirit of all things this channel embodies, real organizing, real people, and real budgets, I have 5 power tips to help reinvigorate you while I clean my house, literally my entire house. First, a question. Why do you want a cleaner house? Most people say, because I want to quit living in a mess. It bothers me. I'm exhausted. So let's head out to my garage just for good measure. Berating end goals never get me far. They honestly just leave me feeling sad. And this is where positive framing comes in. So try something like, I want to live in a space that inspires me. I want to have time for my kids and my family. For me, these piles started because they were delayed decisions. Summer stuff, donations of old baby gear, I just set it there until it got out of control. Clutter breeds more clutter. I got motivated because a friend got pregnant, so preparing those things for her inspired me to keep things going. My positive framing? I want to help my friend and have a space ready to enjoy football season. Go Lions! And here's the next cool thing. Once you get started, you want to keep going. Research shows cleaning boosts endorphins and reduces stress. And as I get started, it brings me a lot of comfort. I think of it as a way of practicing mindfulness too. Have you guys found that? And science proves it. I'll be sure to link all the cool research down below.
It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you.
Cleaning also boosts confidence because the more you do it, the better you get. And I find that most people, including me, can be intimidated by cleaning because you don't feel naturally great at it. So have some fun, try new hacks or affordable products. I love putting a rag on my broom and spraying it with dusting spray to clean my baseboards. This is a new one to me and I cannot get over how good it is.
It's all for you. I did it all.
And I love my steam mop to clean my floors.
All you need is one sensation to get you on your feet.
And my 2 favorite Dollar Tree products right now are this blue microfiber rag marketed for kitchens and this $1 duster. At our house, we operate under the 80-80 rule. I want to have 80% of my house clean 80% of the time. It's realistic and manageable for me. I tend to do daily tidies, and then one zone of the house I deep clean the best I can for that day. But the downward spiral of your effort is inevitable, so remember you aren't a failure. I try to pick little places I can stay on top of as I go, but inviting some mess in 20% of the time, that's my way of letting perfectionism die. I recently saw an amazing interview with author Elizabeth Gilbert, and it hit me so hard. So I'll just let her describe perfectionism.
The trick is to actually expose it, to pull off its fake mask, and to expose perfectionism and call it by its real name, which is fear. That's all it is. It's fear. It's fear that you're not good enough. It's fear that you're not worthy. It's fear that you're going to be revealed, uncovered, exposed, betrayed, criticized, all of it. And so you're trying to mask that absolute terror by never making a misstep. It's the lie. Perfectionism is the lie that says that there's some kind of a rent that you have to pay to be here on this earth, and that you've got to master it in order to be allowed to be here. When there isn't one, it's like you're auditioning for a part you already got. You get to just be here. You don't have to be perfect to be here, or even good. You just don't have to actually do anything. You're allowed to just be.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our
Let your problem areas tell you a story. If clutter keeps accumulating, it probably means that space is not working for you. I definitely have one of those in our guest bedroom. I love DIYs. These are all my Christmas and Halloween and upcoming fall DIYs. And once a year, people are actually sleeping in this room. So it's much better as a craft room. And I plan to change that out once we have the budget and do a makeover, because mess is always creeping in. And I can't wait to show you guys that whole reveal. It will totally be worth it. I hope this video encouraged you today, motivated you to get up and try and do. Let me know in the comments below what stood out to you. It helps me bring you better and more content. Sometimes our homes just need a little extra love to feel like their best self. If you enjoyed this video and want more like it, leave it a big thumbs up. I am so grateful you are here. And if you haven't joined the Dime Tribe, click that subscribe button. I would love to see you guys in the next video. Bye.